Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? See what excellent results we can achieve working for you by utilizing our extensive knowledge and experience. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We are excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.